Today you are practicing with shadowing English speaking practice. This lesson will make your speaking faster and more confident. Imagine yourself inside a real restaurant while repeating. Keep your voice steady and repeat every line clearly. Stay with me until the end to feel your fluency grow. Hello, I would like a table please. Hello, I would like a table please. Is there any table available now? Is there any table available now? Can I sit near the window? Can I sit near the window? This table looks perfect, thank you. This table looks perfect, thank you. Can I see the menu please? Can I see the menu please? Do you have today's specials? Do you have today's specials? What do you recommend here? What do you recommend here? Is this dish spicy or mild? Is this dish spicy or mild? I would like some water please. I would like some water please. Can I get a cold drink? Can I get a cold drink? I need more time to decide. I need more time to decide. I am ready to order now. I am ready to order now. I will take the chicken soup. I will take the chicken soup. I want the grilled fish meal. I want the grilled fish meal. Can I add extra salad please? Can I add extra salad please? Can you make it less spicy? Can you make it less spicy? Do you have any vegan options? Do you have any vegan options? I would like the small portion. I would like the small portion. That's all for now, thank you. That's all for now, thank you. Can you bring it quickly, please? Can you bring it quickly, please? You are doing amazing, keep pushing forward. Your confidence is growing with every repetition. Stay focused, you are getting better and better. How long will it take? How long will it take? Can you serve it faster? Can you serve it faster? The soup smells really good. The soup smells really good. The food looks delicious. The food looks delicious. Excuse me, I need a spoon. Excuse me, I need a spoon. Can I get a fork, please? Can I get a fork, please? I need an extra napkin. I need an extra napkin. The taste is amazing, thank you. The taste is amazing, thank you. This is too salty for me. This is too salty for me. Can you replace this dish? Can you replace this dish? Can you heat it a little? Can you heat it a little? I love the flavor of this. I love the flavor of this. Everything tastes wonderful. Everything tastes wonderful. Can I get more sauce, please? Can I get more sauce, please? Do you have ketchup here? Do you have ketchup here? I would like another drink. I would like another drink. Can I see the dessert menu? Can I see the dessert menu? What desserts do you have? What desserts do you have? I will take the chocolate cake. I will take the chocolate cake. That dessert looks perfect. That dessert looks perfect. Great work, you are speaking more confidently now. Keep going, your pronunciation is improving fast. You are building real speaking power today. Can I get the bill, please? Can I get the bill, please? Can you split the bill? Can you split the bill? Do you accept card payments? Do you accept card payments? Can I pay by cash? Can I pay by cash? Do you have mobile payment? Do you have mobile payment? Everything was delicious, thank you. Everything was delicious, thank you. Can you pack this to go? Can you pack this to go? Do you have a takeaway box? Do you have a takeaway box? Can you pack the leftovers? Can you pack the leftovers? Can I get the receipt, please? Can I get the receipt, please? Do you offer any discount? Do you offer any discount? I would like a glass of water. I would like a glass of water. Can you bring extra tissues? Can you bring extra tissues? Is free Wi-Fi available here? Is free Wi-Fi available here? What is the Wi-Fi password? What is the Wi-Fi password? Can I change my order, please? Can I change my order, please? I want to cancel one item. I want to cancel one item. Can you bring the menu again? Can you bring the menu again? Do you have fresh juice? Do you have fresh juice? I will take one orange juice. I will take one orange juice. You are doing excellent, keep the energy high. Your fluency is becoming stronger with practice. Stay focused, you are almost halfway. Can I have extra ice, please? Can I have extra ice, please? Can I get it without ice? Can I get it without ice? Do you have bottled water? Do you have bottled water? Is service charge included? Is service charge included? Can you bring some bread? Can you bring some bread? Do you have butter? Do you have butter? I like the atmosphere here. I like the atmosphere here. The staff is very friendly. The staff is very friendly. The service is really good. The service is really good. Can you lower the music? Can you lower the music? Can you make it quieter? Can you make it quieter? I prefer a quiet place. I prefer a quiet place. Can I move to another table? Can I move to another table? Is outdoor seating available? Is outdoor seating available? Can I sit outside, please? Can I sit outside, please? Do you have any hot drinks? Do you have any hot drinks? I will take a cup of tea. I will take a cup of tea. I will take a cup of coffee. I will take a cup of coffee. Can I get a straw, please? Can I get a straw, please? Can I have lemon with that? Can I have lemon with that? Amazing work, your speaking is getting smoother. Keep repeating, your voice is becoming natural. You are getting very close, don't stop now. Can I get a plate, please? Can I get a plate, please? Can I get a clean glass? Can I get a clean glass? Do you have a kids' menu? Do you have a kids' menu? I would like a small burger. I would like a small burger. Can I get cheese on top? Can I get cheese on top? Do you have French fries? Do you have French fries? Can I get extra fries? Can I get extra fries? I want one more order. I want one more order. Can you make it quickly? Can you make it quickly? Everything tastes perfect. Everything tastes perfect. Can I get one more plate? Can I get one more plate? Do you serve soup here? Do you serve soup here? I will take the tomato soup. I will take the tomato soup. Can I get a bowl of rice? Can I get a bowl of rice? Do you have grilled chicken? Do you have grilled chicken? I will take the grilled chicken. I will take the grilled chicken. Can I get a fruit salad? Can I get a fruit salad? Do you have ice cream? Do you have ice cream? I will take vanilla ice cream. I will take vanilla ice cream. Thank you, everything was wonderful. Thank you, everything was wonderful. You completed all 100 sentences, your dedication is powerful. Keep practicing daily with shadowing English speaking practice. Your fluency is growing and your confidence is rising. Like, comment, and subscribe to motivate me to make more lessons for you.